Welcome, in front of me is Soyo M4 Pro Mini PC, and in this video I will show you how to check the temperature of this device. So since this device doesn't have a discrete GPU card, the main hidden element is the central processor unit in this PC. So what we need to do is measure the processor temperature, and we can do this using a program which is called CoreTemp. So first of all, you're gonna have to open a web browser on your computer. Of course, you're gonna need internet connection. Open any search engine of your preference, then search for CoreTemp application. Press enter and you're gonna find this app on allcpu.com website, allcpu.com/CoreTemp. Just open this website, and to download this application, click the download icon you can see in the middle of the screen. Wait until the setup file is downloaded, then open it, and at this point you can close the browser. We're not gonna need it right now. Then click yes, click next, then read and accept the license agreement to proceed. Click next again. Then you can change the destination folder for your for this application by clicking browse and selecting the folder that you need, or you can just go with the default one and by clicking next. After that, on the following page, make sure that you uncheck this checkbox next to build your kingdom something, because this one will wants to install some unwanted software on your computer. So if you don't want any unwanted software on your device, uncheck this checkbox. Then if you want a desktop shortcut, leave this checkbox checked. If you don't want it, uncheck this checkbox. And if you need an additional language pack, you can also leave this one checked. I'm not gonna need it, so I'm gonna just uncheck it. Then click next, then click install. Wait until the application is installed, click next, and then uncheck the readme part, click finish, and let's wait for the application to launch. And as you can see right here, we can see all the processor information in the top part of the window, and in the bottom part of the window you can check the temperature readings from your processor. So here in this column we can see the current temperature of each core of the processor. So as you can see, each core of the processor is around 42 to 43 degrees Celsius right now. Here is the minimum registered temperature by this application temperature of your processor. Here's the maximum registered temperature, and here's the load of each core of your processor. So that's how you check your device's temperature. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.